My name is Alson, so I am one of the youth. The first process that we are doing to make that break, as you can see here, the first sieve it, then from there, they take it with wheelbarrow for mixing.
So after putting cement, that's when you put the waterproof cement. Cement like this. Fine powder. So we do dry mixing. We mix without water. Training is funded by Caritas Austria in Nadru, still Yambio, in South Sudan.